Peugeot launched the all-new Peugeot E-3008, the newest 100% electric crossover. Generation 3 will be the first model of the company to use the STLA medium architecture with 3 models to choose from. In terms of the exterior design of the Peugeot E-3008, this new generation electric crossover still comes in the form of a flashback crossover SUV. The front grille of the vehicle features a modern frameless design, lacking a traditional enclosed frame. Its interior showcases an intricate pattern that matches the car's color, presenting a captivating three-dimensional effect. Prominently positioned at the center is the bold Peugeot emblem. Just above the grille, you can find the model identifier 3008. Adding to the vehicle's dynamic appearance are the LED pixel headlights, which boasts a sleek layout complete with vertical daytime running lights resembling a lion's fang. Enhancing its sporty allure, the front bumper incorporates black air intakes. The side of the Peugeot E-3008 body comes with sharp sleek lines, enhanced with modernity, with new design alloy wheels size 19 to 20 inches. In addition, it enhances the aggressiveness with shiny black guards around the body. The rear of the Peugeot E-3008 comes with a sloping glass roof, enhance the sportiness with a rear spoiler and a black shark fin antenna with black decorations on the B pillar and C pillar at the rear, makes the look more sporty. In terms of dimensions, the electric crossover's body size is 4540 mm in length, 1890 mm in width, 1640 mm in height. Inside the cabin of the Peugeot E-3008 electric SUV, it will be designed to be high-tech and modern. The dashboard is equipped with a large 21-inch curved iCockpit widescreen display that floats, which acts as both a digital instrument panel and infotainment screen. Peugeot E-3008 comes with a central touchscreen called iToggle placed below the air vents. This screen will come with shortcut commands. Up to 10 functions can be programmed to reduce the number of unnecessary buttons. In addition, a push-button gear shift kit was installed that replaced it. The electric shift lever is placed next to push start button. The 5-seat seats are upholstered in cloth and Alcantara leather. The front seats can be specified with a ventilation system, massage function, and adjustable side bolsters that inflate or deflate to adjust to the passenger's size. The new Peugeot E-3008 is designed to be a small car, but there is a trunk space of 470 liters in the four-wheel drive version and 520 liters in the front-wheel drive version, and there are 17 various storage compartments scattered throughout the cabin. In terms of driving power, the Peugeot E-3008 comes with 3 variants. The electric 210 model will come with a single electric motor placed on the front axle, producing 207 horsepower and 343 Newton meters of torque, providing acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.7 seconds. It comes with a 73 kWh battery. Fully charged can run a distance of 525 km. Electric 230 long-range model that producing 227 horsepower and 343 Newton meters of torque, providing acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.9 seconds. Comes with a 98 kWh battery, fully charged for a long distance 700 km. The electric 320 model comes with dual electric motors. The front electric motors will be the same as those in the electric 210 that produces 207 horsepower and 343 Newton meters of torque, while the rear electric motor will have 109 horsepower and 166 Newton meters of torque, which when combined will providing power of up to 320 horsepower, acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.4 seconds. Comes with a fully charged battery pack, runs 700 km. The new E-3008 electric crossover will be built at the Stellantis plant in Soksho. It is scheduled for delivery in European markets by the end of 2023.